Tap tap and more tap. The game is all about testing your brain and skills. Hey everyone, welcome to my Devlog series for Tap 999, the game that will take you on an epic journey through 999 levels of different challenges. In today's episode, I'm gonna talk about the 5 levels I've designed so far. But before we get into that, let me give you an overview of the game. In this game, the main mechanic is tapping, but I've also included hundreds of other mechanics such as rotating, swapping, and moving objects, which will make the gameplay fresh and exciting. But with so many levels in one game, the size could become a problem. To avoid making the game too large, I've developed a base platform that loads levels separately. Now let's jump into the levels. The first level is all about swapping hexagons to order the boxes. Players will need to use their spatial reasoning and problem-solving skills to solve the puzzle. In level 2, players must connect all the colors in a honeycomb pattern. They'll need to use their logic skills to figure out the right combination of rotations to connect all the colors. The third level is all about making a meaningful word from a set of letters by tapping on them in order. There's an indicator showing the current letter's position at the bottom. In level 4, players must connect pipes by tapping on them. Some pipes rotate while some others are stationary. Obviously the goal is to connect all the pipes. And finally, level 5 is a tricky one that involves a clock style object with numbers and arrows. Players must use the buttons on the right side of the screen to tell the game where each number is located on the clock. The good thing about this game is that players will never know what to expect next, so it's kinda mysterious. So there you have it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more updates, and be sure to follow me on Discord for the latest news. Thanks for watching, see you in the next episode.